Welcome to MarineMax Houston. Today we're on a brand new 2027 280 Dauntless. We're powered by 300 horsepower Mercury engines, currently using the Skyhook joystick feature, which actively controls your boat and keeps it in the same spot. All right, then you're gonna have a live well right here. Another live well behind the helm, as well as your sink. You have plenty of seating back here. You're gonna have dual digital SIMRAD display systems, as well as your joystick access right here. Spacious head right here. Moving up here, you're gonna have seating for plenty of friends and family. It's gonna be your windlass access, which you're also gonna have access to controls at the helm. You're gonna have even more storage underneath this bow seating area. My name is Mason. If you want this 280 Dauntless while it's still available, come drive down to MarineMax Houston and ask for me.